Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 17 patterns, page number 259. So, what is patterns? Patterns are shapes, designs, group of numbers and letters that repeat themselves in a predictable manner. Means there will be like some shapes, some numbers, some design. So that they have the some repetition means in the predictable manners means we can guess that like in a such way in a such a order or what is the sequence in which sequence it is changing, like you can see here. First is their circle, you can see here circle, then square, circle, square. So now you can guess it that the next will be again circle, then again it will be square. Similarly you can see here 4 3 2. Okay, then after 4 3 2 it means it is the repetition, like we can predict. Okay, we can find that it's a pattern. Okay, we can find it's a sequence. What is the sequence? So you can see 4 3 2, then again 4 3 2, it means next will be again 4 3 2. So likewise ABC. Okay, then ABC, so next again it will be ABC. So this is the pattern. Okay, now you can see these are the some examples, like you can identify like here in this shape you can see it is up, then it's a down, up, down. So next it will be, so you can see, so next it will be like this. Okay, so again what will be the next one? Again this type of shape. Similarly you can see in the dice four dots are there, then two, then one. Okay, 4 2 1, then after 4. So it means that again what will be there? Two dice. Okay, two, then after there will be 1 point because 4 2 1. Okay, so it means again it will be 2 1, again it will be after 4, like 1 3 5 1. It means you can see 1 3, then 5, then 1. It means again it will be 3 and then after 5. So likewise you can predict this sequence. Okay, so now you can see this one, growing patterns. Consider sequence of numbers like 1 2 3 4 5. This can be in this picture you can see it is given like this is the, it is in the increasing order, or by this arrow also you can understand like this is the sequence for this, like 1 2 arrow, 3 arrow, 4 arrow, 5. So next will be like there is a 5, so next will be how many? 6 arrows will be there. Okay, so likewise you can predict it. So this is about pattern. Now next you can see here, so this you have to learn it. A pattern is anything that can be predicted, means that you can guess, you can predict, you can evaluate, means you can think about that, means you have the, you can find it's a pattern. So that is your prediction, means if anything is there you can predict about that, which is your pattern. These patterns are called growing patterns, like 10 like it is increasing 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, some examples also you can see here. These are some examples like AB, then two B's are there, then three B's are there. So like here BB is increasing only, A is the constant and B is increasing. Here you can see here is the, how many B's are there? 4 B's. It means the next will be 5 B's. Okay, so here how many B's will be there? Here it will be 5 B's. Okay, so 1 B's, 2 B, 3 4 and 5 B's. Okay, so likewise you can find the pattern of this given examples. Now next we will solve, now we will solve exercise 17. Okay, in this exercise 17 question number first, draw the pictures that come next in this growing pattern. So next what it will be, so that we will look for this. Here you can see one rectangular box, then after one circle, one box, two circle. This is the one rectangular box, three circles. So in the next which type of pattern will be? One box it is sure. In now one is circle is increasing, it's a pattern is that circle is increasing, so three circles are here. So it means how many circles will be here? Four circles. So that's your answer. Okay, now similarly you can see the next question. In the next question it is, this is the only box is there. Now there is a two circle added. Okay, now means one circle here, one two is adding. Now next again two is added here. It means in the next one box it will be one circle here, one circle here, already it is there. And now you can see in the every time this one circle is adding up and means upside and right side. So one circle will be here and one circle will be here also. So it is their next pattern. Now next question you can see number C. There is a one diamond box and one square, one diamond, two, okay, 2 square box, then again diamond 3 box. Only diamond is constant, it means the diamond box is the constant. Now only is only is increasing, it's a square box, so next it will be here. So this is your answer. Now in this ice cream case, you can see there is a 2 level of ice creams here. Here is how many level? 3. Here is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 levels, sorry, 4 levels increased. Now in the next you can see here 1 level, or you can guess like this. In this there is a 1. Okay, now here how many is now between? 2. Okay, 2. Here you can see 1 2 3 and 4. So next it will be the 5 levels of ice cream. So you can guess like this. Now next, now question number 2, draw the picture that comes next in the given growing pattern. Also write the number of shapes used for each pattern. Identify the rules that grows the pattern. So here you have to write the rules also. So what is the rule? Okay, so here you can see how many boxes are there? 2. Here it is 2. Here it is 4. Okay, now here how many? 1 2 3 4. Here is 6. Okay, so it means you can see 2 plus 2 plus 2. It means what is the rule? So you can write here. So the rule is that, what is the rule? Rule we have, rule is add 2. What is the rule? Add 2. Means all the time we are adding the 2 means every time we are adding the number 2. So like plus 2 means here we are here we have added plus 2. Here also we have added plus 2. So now we will add plus 2 again. So it will be 8. It means how many boxes will be there? 8 boxes. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 boxes there, and the down also 4 boxes. Okay, so 8 boxes will be there. So the rule is that we are adding the 2, so that you have to mention also. In the next you can see there is the 2. Okay, 2 triangles there. Here you can check how many? 5. Here 3 3 6 plus 3 9. Okay, so what is the pattern? In the next you can see how many it will be. So here you can just see like this. Here it is increasing how many? It is increased by 3. Here it is increased by 4. Means that it is the increment is, it is the increment is done in plus 1 1. Means whatever the increment earlier, so it is plus 1 here. Okay, so 5. So now here 1 we will add here. So plus 5 will be increased in the next step. So 9 plus 4, sorry, 9 plus 5, it is a 14. So in the next step it will be 14. So there, here it will be total how many triangles? 14 triangles will be there. But you have to see the patterns of triangle, how it is been put, means how it is been generated. So 2 triangles are there. So this is the same here, but in the next column 3 is added. Okay, again you can see whatever it is, this full one, you can see this full, this is the same over here. Okay, so new one is adding over here only. In this one column, the new triangles is those who are coming, the new triangles, that triangle is in the, that is the increased triangle is put in the one column. So it means that it will be the same, this all these triangles it will be the same. Means like one triangle, this is the first time. Okay, so second times triangles are there. Okay, this is the second time, this is the fourth times, 1 2 3 4 times. Now next time 5 will be increased. Okay, so this increased triangles you have to add in the one column. So that will be put here. So here it will be 1 triangle, 2 3 4 and 5. So this will be your pattern. Understood? Now next you can see the next question, which is number, here is number 3. Identify the rules and write the next 3 numbers in each of the followings. So you have to identify the rules. So you can check that here is the 3. Now it is 5, now it is 7, now it is 9. So all the time you can see plus 2 is adding. So you can write here plus 2. You can write here plus 2, and here is also plus 2. Okay, so the next time what it will be? So the next plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So that's your answer. Okay, next here you can see 8, 11, 14 and 17. So here you can just see that 3 is increasing all the time. 8 plus 3, here is plus 3, here is also plus 3. It means 17 plus 3, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 23 plus 3, 26. Okay, here 4, 8, 16, 32 means 4 plus 4. Okay, or you just you can do like this, 4 into 2, so it is here 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32. Okay, so 32 into 2 it will be 64, 64 into 2 128, and 128 into 2, so it will be 256. Okay, next question you can see number D, 1 3 9 27. So you can see here 1 into 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, means it is the multiples of 3 only here. All the time it is increasing with the multiples of 3, means you can multiply by 3, by 3 3. So 1 into 3 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 23 into 7, so it will be 81. 81 into 3 243, and 243 into 3 729. So that's the pattern. Okay, now next question number E, you can see there is a 2, then 4 8 and 14. So you can just check it. So here you can just find the, you can trace its sequence. Here is plus 2, 2 plus 2, so it is the 4, so plus 2. Now here 4, here it is the plus 4. Now here you can see plus 6. So here you can trace like this. All the time the increment is done with the 2 2 also, plus 2 here also. You can see here plus 2 is also there. It means next time it will be increased, it will be with the plus 8. Okay, so plus 8, so 14 plus 8, so it will be your 22. Okay, now next time again, so this is the plus 2 increment, so now again plus 2 increment means the it will be increased by 10, so it will be 32. Now next time it will be increased by 12, so 32 plus 12, so you will get 44. So it's a pattern like this. So you have to just understand it's a pattern. Now next number F, 2 3 5 8. So here you can understand 2 3, so 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So all the time 1 1 is increasing, so next time it will be increased by 4, so next time it will be increased by 4, so it will be, so 8 plus 4 it will be 12. So next time it will be increased again 5 plus 5, so 12 plus 5 17. Next time it will be increased by 6, so it will be 23. Okay, now this is now next you can see some more examples are there, you can just solve. Okay, some questions are here. A shrink or reducing pattern happens when something is taken away or subtracted. So this is your shrinking. Okay, so you can solve these questions also, these examples are there. Okay, so like this is the class work is given, you can see it. Like here you can see shrinking means the number of sequence or the number of given data is decreasing. Okay, shrinking means you can understand, you can see here 2 2 4 2 6. Here you can see count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, 2 decreased. Here now 1 2 3, 2 decreased. So next time 2 will be is all the time minus 2, minus 2, next minus 2. So now only one pencil will be left here. Okay, so that's is a pattern. Here you can see 2 2 4 are there. Now here is 3, now here is 2, so next time it will be only 1. So likewise you have to, this is the reducing the patterns. Okay, so you can just do it here also. Identify the rules and write the next number in the each of the following. So here you can see 19, then after 16, then 13, then 10. So all the time you can check that it is decreased by how much, decreased by minus 3. Okay, here is by minus 3, here is also minus 3. So next time, so 10 minus 3. Okay, so rule is that, so here is the rule you have to write also. So rule is the minus 3, so rule is that subtracting the minus 3. So next time what it will be, so next time you just subtract it, so it will be 7. So if I have to find the next number also, so it will be 4. Okay, so 4 minus 3 1. Okay, so likewise you can do. Okay, now here is 81 27 9 and 3. So what is the pattern? Here is the pattern is that you have to, here it is dividing by all the time by 3, divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. So next time, so 3 divided 3, so 1. So next number will be 1. Got it? Here you can see 25 20 16 and 13. So here you have to find it's a pattern. So here you can just understand, here is the pattern is -5. Okay, actually here is -5. Now next again here you can see -4. Next it is -3. Okay, so now next it will be -2. Okay, so -2, so how much it will be? 11. Okay, next is -2. Again you can do -2, so it will be 11 minus 2, 9. Okay, again -2 you can do, sorry, not -2 again all the time, here is the mistake, correct it. Here is -2. Now next time it is decreased, so it will be -1. So next time it is -1, so that's it means here it will be the next number, the next pattern will be -1 means 10. So next time how much it will decreased? So minus, so it will be 0. So next number will be also 0. So its answer will be 11, then after 10, then after again 10. So what is the rule here? Rule is this, a rule is here -5, -4, -3, then -2. So all the time it is 1 1 decreasing. Okay, so number D, 21, 14, 9 and 6. So what is the pattern here? So pattern is here, just I am writing the pattern. It's the pattern is like -7, okay, -5, -3, then -1, and likewise you can do. So next time -1, so it will be 5 here. So here is a revision exercise. Here is some more questions are there. Okay, so you can solve it. So like are pattern repeating, growing or shrinking? So that you have to find. So which type of pattern it is? The pattern is, it can be repeating, patterns can be repeating, can be growing or can be shrinking. So which type of pattern it is? It is actually repeating one. Okay, repeating the same thing, so you can write it is a repeating. Okay, next here you can see it is reducing, so you can see it is the shrinking. So which type of it is pattern? Shrinking. Okay, now here you can see this, it is all are increasing, so which type of pattern it is? A growing, so it is your growing pattern. Okay, so that you have to do. Here is some more questions also there, like fill in the blanks. Okay, growing, reducing or repeating, so that you have to write. So like 12, 19, 23, sorry 26, 33, 40 and 47. So it is repeating, so it is, you can write here repeating. Here is 77. Okay, then after 82. Okay, so like here 77, 82, 87, then after 77, 82, it is 87. So that is what is it is happening, repeating. Here is, sorry, it is here, this is not repeating actually. 12, it is 19, 26, 20, 33, 40 and 47. So it is growing actually, sorry, I did mistake, you just correct it. It is the growing. Okay, it is growing. Here it is repeating. Okay, number 2 is your repeating. Okay, likewise here it is reducing. Okay, this is your reducing. Here you can see it is growing again. Okay, here it is again it is reducing. It is here you can see it is repeating again, because the one pattern is here, again one is here, so it is your repeating. Here also you can see it was here repeating, so that's why I have written repeating. Now the next question you can see from revision exercise, identify the patterns. Identify the pattern and write the next number in each of the following. So likewise you have to identify the pattern. So here is like +3 is increasing. Okay, then after +5, here is the next rule is the +5. Here again +7. Okay, so here it is increasing by +9. So next number will be +11. Okay, so +11, so it will be 35. Okay, so here is like -10. Okay, here is -8, -6, -4. So next time it will be -2. So -2, it means it will be here 10. Okay, so likewise you can just do it. Okay, so these all questions you can solve from here exercise. This is the exercise 17. Okay.